Let's now go to understanding dizziness and fainting. Let's discuss a focus on vertigo disorders, exploring the causes, symptoms, and treatments of dizziness and fainting with an emphasis on vertigo disorders. Dizziness and fainting are prevalent occurrences that, while often benign, can indicate more serious health issues. It is essential to recognize the causes and symptoms associated with these sensations to ensure timely medical intervention if needed. Common causes of dizziness. Common occasional unsteadiness. Occasional feelings of unsteadiness are common and typically not a cause for concern. It's a frequent experience for many individuals and often resolves without intervention. True dizziness and vertigo. True dizziness or vertigo is characterized by a spinning sensation and may arise from various causes, including certain medications and excessive alcohol consumption. Understanding these triggers is important for managing symptoms. Common isolated fainting episodes. Isolated episodes of fainting are common and usually not indicative of serious health issues. However, repeated occurrences may signal an underlying medical condition that requires further investigation. Understanding true dizziness and vertigo. True dizziness and vertigo is marked by the sensation that your surroundings are spinning or moving. This condition, not normally and may arise from various factors such as medication side effects or excessive alcohol consumption, and can indicate underlying medical issues that require attention. When to seek urgent medical attention. First is shortness of breath, persistent chest pain, loss of consciousness. Next, dizziness and medication side effects to consider. Antidepressants and dizziness. Some antidepressants, particularly those affecting serotonin levels, can lead to side effects such as dizziness and lightheadedness, especially during dosage adjustments. Anticonvulsants may cause lightheadedness. Certain anticonvulsants used to manage seizures may cause dizziness as a side effect, particularly when doses are increased or changed. Antihypertensive and dizziness. Many antihypertensive medications, which are designed to control high blood pressure, can lead to dizziness or lightheadedness as a common side effect, particularly for new users. Understanding lightheadedness in pregnancy. Lightheadedness is a frequent occurrence during pregnancy, primarily due to hormonal fluctuations that relax blood vessels and lower blood pressure. While occasional faintness is typical, not a concern, persistent episodes warrant medical attention. Overview vertigo disorders. Sudden vertigo with movement, vertigo with tinnitus and hearing loss, recurrent vertigo attacks and hearing loss, one-sided hearing loss symptoms. Benign paroxysmal positional vertigo. BPPV is a common inner ear disorder characterized by brief episodes of vertigo triggered by changes in head position. It occurs when tiny calcium particles dislodge and move within the inner ear, disrupting the balance system. Although typically not serious, it can significantly impact daily activities and quality of life. Understanding labyrinthitis, symptoms, and effects. Labyrinthitis is an inner ear disorder characterized by inflammation leading to severe vertigo, ringing in the ears, and hearing loss. Symptoms can intensify with head movements, impacting daily activities and overall quality of life. Understanding the recurrent attacks of Meniere's disease. Meniere's disease is characterized by episodes of intense vertigo, which can last from a few minutes to several days. These episodes often occur alongside fluctuating hearing loss and tinnitus, and the frequency of attacks can vary, with periods of exacerbation interspersed with symptom-free intervals. Acoustic neuroma, key symptoms and health implications. Acoustic neuroma, a slow-growing tumor on the vestibulocochlear nerve, primarily presents with unilateral hearing loss, often accompanied by tinnitus and balance difficulties. As the tumor progresses, it may lead to additional symptoms such as headaches and facial numbness or weakness on the affected side, necessitating through medical evaluation. Key insights on dizziness and fainting. Dizziness and fainting, while often benign, can signal serious health issues. Recognizing the symptoms, potential causes, and circumstances that require urgent attention is crucial for effective management and care. Thank you for your attention.